Guys, welcome to another video. My name is Diana, and today is November 19th, 2021. We are here to unbox, as you can see from the title, Pokemon Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl. I originally played the original Pokemon Diamond game when it was on Nintendo DS, and I have played all the other Pokemon games in the past. I will link the video below where I showed off my Pokemon collection. I honestly do not remember how long ago I updated that video. But, yeah. Anyways, I pre-ordered mine at GameStop. As you can see, they got this really cool looking bag. Also, I'm recording this on my phone, so yeah, please ignore me. And then here's the back of the bag with Turtwig, Chimchar, and Piplup with the GameStop logo. Alright, I'm gonna put it down so I can take the items out of the bag. So this is the double pack. If you did pre-order the double pack, you do get a pretty cool keychain, which I'm about to show you as well. Here's the GameStop exclusive pin set. And this is the not GameStop. This is the Best Buy exclusive one. And this is the GameStop one. So if you pre-ordered it at Best Buy, you get Chimchar, Piplup, and Turtwig, the starters. And if you pre-ordered it from GameStop, you get Dialga and Palkia as your pin set, which is kind of cool. These are collectibles, so really good to have. All right, I'm gonna put you guys down so I can unbox the thing. Also, if you guys buy them separately or together, they do cost like $127.18. That was my total for the bundle, the double pack bundle. Also, like I said while I'm unboxing this, if you guys are watching this on my Pokemon channel, you guys know me as XX Super Diana XX. If you guys are watching this on my gaming channel, which I post all my gaming content from Fortnite to Apex, and sometimes Pokemon content, you guys know me as Diana45251. So if you're watching this on either one of my channels, welcome to the channel. If you're new, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. So yeah, this comes with a bonus code, which includes 200 Pokeballs to start with, and here's the side. You guys could pause to read if you like. Alright, we guys put you down so I can take the... Alright, so here's what it looks like. They're both sealed in the box. Take them out. Here they are out of the box. Like I said, it does come with a code for Pokeballs, but I'm not going to show you guys that because I need to use that for myself, so I'll put that aside. On the other hand, here is Pokemon Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl. I'm gonna unbox them so you guys can see what they look like. Okay, here's the back of the boxes as well. And the sides, they're still red. on the side, nothing different. The only downfall about this is that I know the original boxes for the Nintendo Switch, not the Nintendo Switch, Nintendo DS, they were shiny, like on the front. That's the only downfall about it that I don't like. But other than that, remakes are remakes. So I'm gonna cut these open. Give me a second. I can't do this one-handed, so I'm gonna have to take the wrapping off and then show you guys. Alright, so here's Brilliant Diamond unboxed, and so is Shining Pearl. About to open both boxes to let you guys see what it is on the insides. So here's what both of them look like, which is pretty cool. I like the inside of the box art because it's not just a white box as normally they do. Of course, it does not come with a manual like all the original games do. So here's a closer look at Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl. I'm about to pop them into my Switch. Let me go grab that in a minute so I can show you guys what it looks like on the actual Switch. Pop sword out and put in Diamond into my Switch. Here's what Brilliant Diamond looks on the Switch. And this is what Shining Pearl looks like on the Switch, at least on the main menu. And if you guys want to add me, this is my friend code. Also, I'm about to start up Brilliant Diamond. At least I can show you guys a little bit of the beginning. I won't necessarily show you guys the whole gameplay, but... Oh, never mind. I gotta download it. Never mind. I'll probably make a separate video on... Because, oh, wait. Never mind. Okay. Alright. Will do. Alright, well... I'll see you guys next time. Bye.